Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm your host Jason, and as always, I'm joined by the amazing co-host Julia. Hi Julia.
Hi Jason, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. We're so happy you're here with us today. We've got a powerful episode lined up, one that's going to help you speak English with more confidence and less fear.
That's right. Today's topic is no more thinking, just speaking. It's something many English learners struggle with. They want to speak, but they think too much before they even open their mouth.
Exactly. We hear this all the time. I'm afraid of making mistakes, or I don't know the right words, or what if people laugh at me? That thinking gets in the way of real speaking.
But today, we're going to help you change that. We're going to show you how to stop overthinking and just start speaking English naturally, even if it's not perfect.
Because here's the truth. Speaking English is like learning to ride a bike. You don't get it right the first time, but the more you do it, the better you become. And you'll only get better by doing, not by waiting until everything sounds perfect in your head.
So if you're someone who keeps thinking and waiting, this episode is for you. Stay with us. We've got tips, a role play, a speaking challenge, and some motivation to help you finally say, no more thinking, just speaking.
Let's dive in.
All right, let's talk about the real issue here. Why do so many English learners think too much before they speak?
Great question, Jason. I think one of the biggest reasons is fear, especially the fear of making mistakes. Learners often worry, what if I say the wrong word? Or what if my grammar is bad? They want to speak perfectly, and that pressure stops them from speaking at all.
Yes, that fear of being wrong is so common. But the truth is, even native speakers make mistakes. I mess up sometimes, and I'm a host of an English podcast.
Same here. And another reason is translation. Many learners try to translate every sentence from their native language into English in their heads before they speak. That takes a lot of time and brain power.
Yeah, it's like their brain is doing too much work. Imagine trying to talk while solving a math problem in your head. It's stressful.
Exactly. And that's why conversations feel slow or awkward. They're not thinking in English, they're thinking in their language about English.
And then there's confidence. A lot of learners don't believe in themselves. They think, my English isn't good enough yet, or people will laugh at me.
That's so sad, right? Because the only way to get good is to actually practice. But that fear holds them back.
Right? And we have to talk about judgment, too. Learners often feel like people will judge their accent or their pronunciation. That feeling can be really strong, especially if they've had a bad experience in the past.
Yes, and I always say your accent is part of your identity. It shows where you're from. It's not something to be ashamed of.
Totally agree, Julia. So just to recap, the main reasons people think too much before speaking are fear of mistakes, translating in their heads, lack of confidence, and fear of being judged.
And if any of you listening have felt this way, guess what? You're not alone. Many learners go through this. But the good news is it can be changed.
Yes, and that's exactly what we're going to help you with in this episode. Coming up next, how to shift your mindset and finally stop chasing perfection.
Stay with us because the next part might just change the way you think about learning English forever.
All right. So now that we understand why learners overthink, let's talk about the solution. And it starts with a mindset shift.
Absolutely. And the first thing to understand is this: perfection is not the goal. Let's repeat that one more time, Jason.
Say it with me. Everyone, perfection is not the goal.
Yes, so many learners feel like they need to speak perfect English, perfect grammar, perfect vocabulary, perfect pronunciation, but that's just not realistic, even for native speakers.
That's right. We don't speak perfectly all the time. We pause, we change our words mid-sentence, We even use incorrect grammar sometimes, and it's totally normal.
Exactly. The real goal is communication, not perfection. If someone understands what you're saying, you've succeeded.
Yes. Let me give you an example. One of my friends is from Brazil. His English isn't perfect, but you know what? He speaks with confidence. He talks to people, shares his ideas, and makes friends easily because he doesn't let mistakes stop him.
I love that. It shows that confidence matters more than correctness. People don't remember small grammar mistakes, they remember how you made them feel during the conversation.
So true. And here's the thing. The more you speak, the more natural your English will become. But you have to let go of the idea that you need to be perfect to start speaking.
Right. Perfection is actually the enemy of progress. It keeps you stuck. So it's time to be brave, make mistakes, laugh at yourself, and keep going.
Beautifully said, Julia. So if you're listening right now and waiting to be perfect, stop waiting. Start speaking. Start now.
Coming up next, we'll share some simple strategies that can help you stop thinking and start speaking every day with no pressure.
Stick around. This next part is super practical and easy to follow. Welcome back. Now let's get into the fun part, real strategies you can use to stop overthinking and start speaking English more freely.
Yes, these tips are simple and you don't need a partner or a classroom, just a little courage and practice. So let's dive in.
All right, first up, the shadowing method. Have you heard of it?
Oh, yes, it's one of my favorite. You listen to a native speaker from a podcast, YouTube video, or movie, and then you repeat what they say immediately after them. Try to copy their pronunciation, rhythm, and tone like a shadow.
It's like being an actor. You're not thinking, you're just copying. And it helps your brain get used to the flow of English without stopping to translate.
Next strategy, think in English. Instead of translating everything from your native language, try to create simple thoughts in English throughout your day.
Yes. Like when you're brushing your teeth, you can think, I am brushing my teeth. Or when you see something, just name it a blue car, a hot coffee.
Exactly. Small thoughts. You're training your brain to speak English naturally without needing to stop and think.
Here's a fun one. Talk to yourself. Sounds a little crazy, but it works.
Totally works. You can describe what you're doing, like I'm cooking rice now or I'm going to the market. No pressure, no judgment, just you and your English.
And if you make a mistake, who cares? No one is listening. It's all about practice.
Here's a big one. Many learners try to use long, complex sentences and then get stuck.
Exactly. Just keep it simple. I like coffee. I went to the store. She is my friend. Easy, short, clear.
Once you feel more confident, you can add more details. But in the beginning, short is strong.
And last strategy, speak every day for at least 5 minutes. You can talk to a mirror, record your voice, or call a friend who also wants to learn.
Yes, make it a daily habit. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak every single day.
And remember, 5 minutes is better than 0. Small steps lead to big progress.
So those are our simple strategies. Shadow native speakers. Think in English. Talk to yourself. Use simple sentences and speak daily for 5 minutes.
Try one or try them all. The key is to stop waiting, stop thinking, and start speaking.
Coming up next, Jason and I are going to do a fun role play to show you what happens when you stop overthinking and just go for it.
You don't want to miss this. Let's have some fun in the next section. All right, friends, it's time for something fun. A quick role play to show you what it looks like when someone is stuck in their head, and then how it changes when they just relax and speak.
Yes, I'll be the learner. And Jason, you be my English-speaking friend, okay?
Got it. So let's do the first version where Julia is overthinking everything. Ready? Hey, Julia, How are you today?
How do you say I am fine? But, not very good? No, sorry. I feel tired because last night I didn't sleep?
Oh, you mean I didn't sleep well last night?
Yes, thank you. My grammar is bad. Okay. That was tough to listen to. I was thinking too much, correcting myself and feeling nervous.
Exactly. Now let's do it again, but this time, just speak. Don't worry about mistakes. Be confident. Let's go. Hey, Julia, how are you today?
Hey, Jason, I'm good, but a little tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh, no. Why not?
I watched a movie and went to bed too late. Big mistake.
Haha, I've done that too. What movie did you watch?
It was a comedy. Really funny. I laughed a lot, but now I need coffee.
You sound great. See? No stress, no overthinking, just real English.
And that's the difference. In the first version, I was focused on grammar and trying to be perfect. In the second version, I just communicated.
That's the goal. Not perfect English, but confident, clear English. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
So if you're listening, try your own role play at home. Be the overthinker first, then try again with confidence and flow.
Coming up next, we'll talk about how to build this speaking habit into your daily routine so it becomes natural and automatic.
Let's make English a part of your everyday life, no stress, just speaking.
Now, let's talk about something super important, fear. It's one of the biggest reasons people don't speak English.
Yes, and it's totally normal. We all feel scared sometimes, scared of making mistakes, sounding silly, or being judged by others.
So true. Let's go through the most common fears English learners have and talk about how to overcome them.
This is the number one fear. People worry, what if I say something wrong? But guess what, you will. And that's okay.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of learning. Even kids learning their first language make lots of mistakes.
And native speakers still make mistakes. The key is to learn from them, not fear them.
So instead of thinking, what if I make a mistake? Say, what can I learn if I do?
Oof, this one hurts. Many learners are afraid of looking foolish or being laughed at.
But here's the truth. Most people are kind. They're happy you're trying to speak their language. They respect your effort.
Yes, and if someone does laugh, maybe they don't understand how hard it is to learn another language, and that's their problem, not yours.
Confidence is attractive. If you speak with a smile and positive energy, people will focus on your message, not your mistakes.
Shyness is very real, and we understand. Speaking another language can feel like stepping on stage.
But here's a tip: start small. Speak to yourself. Record your voice. Say a few sentences to a friend who supports you.
And celebrate every little win. If you say one sentence today, that's amazing. Tomorrow, maybe it's two.
Exactly. You don't have to become super outgoing overnight. Just take one step at a time.
So, to everyone listening, your fears are normal, but they don't have to control you.
You're braver than you think. And when you speak English, even with mistakes, you're growing. You're winning.
Coming up next, we'll wrap up everything with some final encouragement and your next steps to becoming a fearless English speaker.
Stick with us, the journey is just beginning. All right, friends, we've talked about the fears, the mindset, the strategies. Now there's only one thing left to say.
Just start speaking.
Yes. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait to be perfect. Just open your mouth and use your English.
Remember, confidence doesn't come before you speak. It comes because you speak.
Every time you try, every word you say, you're getting stronger. You're building fluency. You're becoming the English speaker you dream of being.
You don't need a fancy course or a perfect accent. You need courage, consistency, and belief in yourself.
So go ahead. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Record your voice. Chat with a friend. Or join a language group.
Even one sentence a day is progress. One small step, again and again, that's how you win.
You've got this. English is not just something you learn. It's something you live.
So from today, no more waiting, no more overthinking, just speak.
And we'll be right here, cheering you on every step of the way.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking.
You can do it! Before we say goodbye, we have a challenge for you, a practice challenge. It's your chance to take action today.
That's right. No more just listening. It's time to use your English. Are you ready?
Here's your challenge. After this podcast, take 1 minute to talk about your day in English.
You can talk to yourself, record your voice on your phone, or even speak to a friend. Just 1 minute. That's it.
Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak from your heart. Be real. Be relaxed.
And if you want extra practice, try this sentence. Today I listened to a podcast and now I'm practicing my English.
You can say it in your room, on a walk, or in front of a mirror. Just say it out loud.
And if you're feeling brave, record your voice and listen back. You'll be amazed how much you grow each day.
So, are you in? If yes, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and tell us, I did the challenge.
We're proud of you already. Keep going, your voice matters.
See you in the next episode. Thanks for joining us today, friends. Remember, the key is not to wait. It's to start speaking now.
Yes, you don't need to be perfect, just brave. Speak a little every day and you'll be amazed at your progress.
If you found this podcast helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow English learners.
And drop a comment below. I'm ready to speak. We'd love to hear from you.
Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking.
Bye for now and happy speaking.